in a way that feels like love to them.
Yeah, that's actually really huge. He brought in the word love, and I actually love the word love because love is amazing at what it can do. And by the way, that is not a result based treatment. It is just fact. And I will say I say fact, and if you want to argue with me, please, I'll hug you. So
So human, so human to love is this human thing, and it's there within humans. A lot of times it's all blocked up and bound up and hurt, but
and
it's
so
like
many
human.
walls. But I mean, let that love out. It's amazing what it can do. But if you're having difficulties even getting into that space of doing meditation, okay, take 3 breaths. Go sit on the toilet, let yourself poop. Believe me, by the way, sphincters relax when you're taking deep breaths. It's a really good feeling. But let it out and just breathe with it, and then just do that for that moment. It stops that automatic process of fight, flight, freeze and allows you to go into analytical thought to where you can actually look at it for a second. And if that's all you can do, that is totally okay. Because guess what? You took a step, and it's a start.
Yeah, meeting a bodily need like that. There's
Which one were you talking about?
Well, the big $10 word would your parasympathetic response that comes on when you're excreting. It's like that's a thing. It's and it's not completely unheard of that somebody who's doing body mind work with me might suddenly have to use the restroom.
Believe it or not,
happens, yes.
If you're moving stuff,
Especially
stuff needs to go out.
Yeah.
Let it go. You don't want to hold on to it.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we've had fun, and we can always do this some more. Is there one thought you would like to leave with everybody?
Yes. All of you, are designed to self-sense, self-adjust, self-heal. This amazing mechanism that your body is designed for it. And when you can tap that self-healing, self-adjusting capacity, the world is yours. You're connected with others, and life is good.
And not only that, but it ripples. It doesn't just stop with you. Let that feeling grow. Let you be okay, and you know what? Embrace it. Let it be. Okay. On that note, I'm going to talk to him about when our next game night is, and I'm going to
Let's do that.
Let's have totally some fun. By the way, if you have not played the game Telestration, you want to talk about getting things out and finding some release, that's an awesome game. You guys, thank you so much for joining us. I'm Coach Nikki. This is Jared Powell, and it was a pleasure being with you guys this week for our Friday stress calls. So you guys remember 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. You guys can translate that into all of your different time zones, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week.